Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to partition a hard drive on Windows 10. Okay, let's see. First go to this PC and right click on manage. Then it is going to open computer management windows. Then go to disk management under storage. This disk management is look like and it shows our disk. Okay, suppose I want to partition F drive. Okay, then right click on F drive, then choose sync volume. Then one box is pop out and in this box we can see total size in this drive is approximate 41 GB and available size to be sync is approximate 40 GB. Suppose I want to sync 10 GB, then click on sync. Then you can see a unallocated space. Then right click on it and choose new sample volume. Then click on next. Here no need to change anything. Then click on next. Okay, here you can choose which drive letter you want. I am going with O. Okay, then click on next. And here we can see format partition box, and in this box we can change the drive name. Okay, so I will change this drive name to music. After that click on next. After some time we can see this partition is created. Okay, now let's check whether it is created or not. So open folder explorer and go to this PC. Look, a new drive O is created. Okay, now I am going to show you how you can retrieve your partition. Okay, let's see. Once again go to disk management. In here whatever partition you have created, if you want to delete, then right click on that partition and click on delete volume. Okay, one box is pop out and this box inform you that to back up your data, so click on yes. Then this is going to delete that drive, so you can see that 10 GB space is unallocated. Okay, suppose I want to merge this unallocated space with F drive, so right click on F drive and click on extend volume, then click on next, then click on next, then click on finish. Okay, let's see whether it is deleted or not. So go to this PC and look, there is no O drive. Okay, if this video is helpful to you, then like, share and subscribe to my channel.